Okay guys, so a very simple short analysis for this DIDI DT global okay. So basically this is a 5 minutes chart, okay, and this is usually how we trade in 5 minutes, okay. So basically there's a very strong impulse here, right, from the top to the bottom, right. Then we will look for a pullback. Now this one pullback in the 0.618 range, okay. It could go to 0.78 range, um, but I looking at this, I wouldn't have traded anything for a bigger buy. Okay, I know a lot of you also got shared like why I didn't or ask why I never do this chart. So I'm doing it, okay, but the analysis is not as strong as if you use with more data lah. So if a company with very little data, the TA may not be as accurate, okay. But one of the basic TA here that I have found out is, or what we can see here is that you can see oversold levels, right? Market being oversold very strongly. Here hasn't reached oversold, so this may not be a super good buy-in. What happened was that at one point, at this point here, this would have been a good buy-in, okay. This would have been a good buy-in, the point here, because here just nice touch oversold, here is oversold. So you can do a buy-in here, and the market did a double bottom here, right. So now the market is reaching up already, and remember, double bottom, double top, right. We want to be, this is 100%, we'll be taking 80%, okay. Sometimes it is a reversal pattern, so if the market break above and then it continues upwards, then the trend is going up. So in this case here, we hit our 80%, now we're hitting 100% lah. But you want to be taking note of your RSI level as well as your stochastics or RSI here. So both being overly bought, okay, on 5 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes time frame may not be very accurate, but more likely than not, I should be looking at some sort of reversal down. Okay, would this be all the way down? I'm not too sure. Okay, but it could do a reversal like that, and then we have a head and shoulders here. Okay, or the market could continue falling down, but I am expecting at least a pullback to this level here lah. So if it does reach this level here, the head and shoulders pattern would have been completed, your 80% up, okay. Maybe exceeding the 80%, you get 100% of the shoulder, the head itself. Then after that, a probable rejection here, because then the market will be super oversold, okay. And that's where I would see the market falling down lah. Okay, because why? Fibonacci retracement, pullback, impulse. Remember, Fibonacci need to find for the impulse, right? So this is the impulse all the way down, this is the pullback period, and then we're looking for impulse back down. So by the time the market reach here, we should be able to draw some sort of trend line or some sort of pattern lah. Okay, something like that. Okay, very ugly, but nonetheless it's still a chart pattern, right? So market hit here, hit key levels down here, we have a very ugly pattern here, okay. Then market is going back down here. I think this level would be where I'll be interested to maybe put some buy positions, but if the market do go further down, then this level here would be my next buy. Okay, just a very short analysis